Imagine your AI system makes a decision that ends up on the front page of a newspaper, not because it failed technically, because people did not trust it. That is the real risk of getting responsible AI wrong. And here is what most executives miss. Responsible AI is not just about avoiding harm, it is about building the trust that lets you scale AI further and faster than your competitors. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make that case inside your organization. Think of responsible AI as a multiplier, not a constraint. Companies that are transparent with their customers about how AI is used in their products build loyalty. Companies that are not build suspicion. And suspicion is expensive. It slows adoption, triggers regulatory attention, and creates the kind of headlines no executive wants. The organizations that get this right deploy AI further and faster because their employees and customers trust them to do it well. Ethics is not separate from your AI strategy, it is a core component of it. Right now, your employees have a question they may not be asking out loud. Is AI watching me? Is it judging my performance? Is it being used to replace me? If you do not have a clear, honest, prepared answer to that question, you are already behind. Companies that communicate openly about how AI is used internally retain more of their people. Not because they promise AI will never change anything, because they treat employees like adults who deserve the truth. Your answer does not need to be perfect, it needs to be honest. The leading technology companies have made their responsible AI principles public and binding. Microsoft published 6 principles: fairness, reliability, privacy, inclusiveness, transparency, and accountability. These are not marketing. They are built into how products are reviewed before launch. Google published a similar framework and uses it to decline certain contracts entirely. What both companies learned is the same thing. Having principles written down forces conversations that would otherwise be skipped. You do not need to be Microsoft, but you do need a written standard that applies before an AI system goes live, not after something goes wrong. Here is the simplest responsible AI design principle you will ever hear. Before you deploy any AI system, ask one question. Would I be comfortable explaining this publicly if it appeared on the front page of a newspaper? If the answer is yes, proceed. If the answer is no or even maybe, redesign it first. This is not a legal test, it is a judgment test. It forces the uncomfortable conversations before deployment rather than after. And it puts the accountability exactly where it belongs, with you, not the model. Responsible AI in practice comes down to 3 commitments. Be transparent with your employees before they have to ask. Be transparent with your customers about how AI affects them. And apply the front page test to every AI system before it goes live. The executives who treat ethics as a business discipline, not a legal obligation, will build the trust that lets them move faster with AI than everyone else. That is the competitive advantage hiding inside responsible AI.